Hi, everybody. We live in historic times, even what feels like divided times. It felt that way in the 1960s as well. Yet when we recall the challenges of the 60s, we might also recall the triumphs of the 60s, especially that awe-inspiring triumph that closed out the decade in July of 1969. It was a triumph that came in the shape of a boot print.
Okay, Neil, we can see you coming down the ladder now.
It was one small step, that one giant leap for all of humanity. It was Apollo 11, whose 55th anniversary we are honored to celebrate this week. Space can unite a troubled country in troubled times, and no moment united the country quite like when the Eagle landed, as all of planet Earth watched from below. No moment dazzled humanity quite like when Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, with Mike Collins orbiting overhead, set foot on the surface of the moon. We are in politically divided times again. As we work through this current time of challenge and unacceptable political violence, let this Apollo 11 anniversary be a time of reflection and, I hope, of healing. Some may say that unity in divided times is an impossible dream. But what about the unity of Apollo 11? Some may say that our brightest days are behind us. But what will happen when humanity gathers once again in shared reverence to watch a crew of Artemis astronauts take to the heavens? And then when humanity sets foot once again on the surface of the moon? The day will be a triumph for all, for humanity's capacity to work together, for our shared will to dream new dreams. Because when we can work together up there, we can live together down here. In the name of peace.